pool right there, bro.
Nah, I don't need it. Oh my God, thank God it's so dry over here.